Hi everyone, I'm Victoria. Today I'll explain step-by-step how to join the first official World Reserve crypto airdrop. Listen carefully. Joining is very easy. 1. Open X Twitter and find our official channel, @WorldReserveC. 2. Subscribe and click follow on the profile @WorldReserveC. 3. Go to our official airdrop post, the one you see next to me, and retweet it. 4. Send your Base Network wallet address either to worldreservecrypto@gmail.com or via private message, DM, on X. The first 100 participants who complete all steps correctly will win. Follow the @WorldReserveCrypto channel. Retweet the official airdrop post. Send a valid Base wallet address. Winners are selected based on the order of participation. Here's what you can win. 1 million WRC total available. 100 winners in total. 10,000 WRC awarded to each winner. Please pay attention. Only one wallet per person is allowed. Prizes will be sent within 7 days after the airdrop ends. The airdrop will close once we reach 100 valid winners. Don't miss this opportunity. Join the World Reserve crypto revolution. Follow, retweet, send your wallet address, and I'll see you on the other side.